Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A minus B multiplied by A plus B equals A square minus B square. So this one, we need to multiply by A plus B on numerator and denominator because I want to create about A square and B square to cancel about the square root. So for this one, that is about s squared plus s minus s squared plus 9. So s squared and s squared we cancel. We just have only s minus number 9. Next, we divide by s on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1. And now s go inside the square root. So the square root of s square we have s. Similar for the second one. So this one divided by this one we have number 1. S divided by s square we have 1 over s. This one divided by s square here, sorry. So s square divided by s square we have number 1. This one we have 9 over s square. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one we have number divided by positive infinity. You got 0. Similar for this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. So we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.